Hello everyone. Now let's check one Western Digital SMR pension hard drive. And we have unlocked the firmware error by swap with one compatible PCB, SATA PCB. It's 83022. Now we can see the family name is SpyG2 and microcode and SPT and other ID information is detected properly. So now we need to enter the firmware operations menu. We need to select the read modules and read T2 data, read SMR zone. After we read this, we can see in the log window all the modules have been read successfully. T2 data read, and it's also read successfully here. We can see the T2 data here read successfully, and also the SMR zone analysis and read also complete. We can see the SMR zone. These sections help to set up the head map and run the selective head image. Next, we can go to the module list and right click. We can test selected modules. Green means the modules are still okay. So after this testing, we find out which modules are corrupted. So if the firmware error is okay, and we can move to the data recovery section. For data recovery, we need to switch to the DFL DDP data recovery software. So right now it's testing the module 190, and we can stop because all these modules are good. We have read successfully. So now let's check within the DDP data recovery software. Okay, let's click soft reset because we can see drive has one more status register on, so we need to make sure the drive is ready like this one. So let's check the hex view and read this hard drive ID. We can see this module are all 0 because it's one formatted drive, and we can try to use the data extraction icon. Next, runs disk image. We just show you the steps to set up the head map for selective head image. And here we can select one VHD to be used as target drive. Click OK. So now we have entered this disk image interface, and here's the settings, and we can change the block size to be bigger size, for example, and 1024. Okay. And also sometimes we need to change the timeout value, this one. So you can change to a smaller one. And here head map, set up head map, Western Digital SMR. And we can select the parse. This is a parse we need to select. So let's copy this parse and paste this parse. Here we can select the T2 data. Click OK. Now the software will start to analyze and set up the head map. Now the software starts to set up the head map. So let's check the head map. We can see there are totally 10 heads for this SpyG2 drive. Now we can image by selective heads. For example, if it's top head, top line is the top head is damaged, we can untick it. So we image other good heads. So this one is very helpful to image good heads only, and then image the weak head or corrupted head. So this is how we treat the patient Western Digital SMR drives. And then click Start the Disk Image. Thank you for watching the video.